Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that TPP negotiations failed in Hawaii, at least for now. But firstly, in the US, we had important payroll data released over the weekend. Wages and salaries increased there 2.1% in the year to June, while benefit costs increased 1.8% in the same period. While no faster than the March quarter, these levels are at a rate that will encourage the Fed to hike. Barring an outlier result in the non-farm payrolls report due at the end of this week, a September rate hike now looks more likely. But the big news is the ending of the TPP negotiations in Hawaii without any agreement. The deal now seems to hang on three issues, two of which affect New Zealand. There is a car industry issue, and Canada and Mexico seem to be the holdouts there. There is a drug patent protection issue. Reconciling how long patents apply between countries has not been resolved. The US has a 12-year law, Australia a 5-year law, New Zealand and Japan have 8-year laws. For the TPP to work, there needs to be a common period that allows research to get a payback before generics become available. Late in the day, the US said it will compromise. And there is a dairy issue. The holdouts there are Canada, Mexico, Japan and the US. Most everything else seems agreed. Negotiators did agree to resume at the end of August for what will be one last effort. Over the weekend, Russia cut its official interest rate by 0.5% to 11%. They have tough choices to make. High interest rates hold back investment they desperately need, but lower rates drive down their currency, making inflation even higher and more painful. And on Friday, the iron ore price was down sharply by more than 3%, reflecting soft commodity prices everywhere. At $52.90 a tonne, that will be a tough place for the Australian miners. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark is sharply lower at 2.19%. Local swap rates will also open very much lower today, possibly fueling more mortgage rates cuts along with falling term deposit offers. The US oil price is also lower at $47 a barrel, and Brent crude is now down to $52 a barrel. The gold price is a bit stronger today at $1,095 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts the week at 65.9 US cents, 90.4 Aussie cents and 60.1 Euro cents. The TWI is at 70.8. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.